Hello everybody, it's Becky Mossbrucker here, and today is Saturday, so I'm gonna share with you a Saturday safety tip. First, I want to say I had a great time last week in West Virginia teaching some awesome women some safety stuff and talking about my book that I co-authored, so that was great. And then this morning I get up at my house in Virginia and find that my refrigerator is not behaving. It is running, very warm, but it is running. So today's safety tip is going to be, what do you do when you get up and find your floor full of water and your freezer has totally defrosted and all the food in it is probably not edible, depends on what it is. So what would you do? Of course, I have called a repair person, but in the meantime, what do you do with the food that you think you can salvage? Obviously, if you have a cooler, you could run down to a corner store, get some ice, put the food that you can still eat in a cooler with ice. That's number one. So number two is open the refrigerator very rarely. Like, I'm trying to keep what's cold in there still somewhat cold. So we're not going in and out of the fridge. Of course, I did take this opportunity to clean out my refrigerator, all my drawers, wash down all the shelves. So that was a plus, I guess. But just make sure that you throw out things that are questionable, like anything with mayonnaise or milk or sour cream or cheese, that kind of stuff. I wouldn't chance it with any of that. So put what you can in a cooler. If you have another refrigerator, move everything to the other refrigerator. Not everybody has a second one. And, do what you can and call a repairman and see, who you can get to come out and look at it. And of course, they're probably going to have to order parts and, the story goes. So, safety tip is don't eat something that might be in the refrigerator at a warmer temperature than it is supposed to be. How about that? Sounds like a good tip to me. All right, see you all soon.